Okay, guys, I'm back. This is probably the second, third video I've made today. But I'm here, as you can see, with inside the truck. I'm not going to do the full tour of the truck yet because of the fact that it's not clean. The windows aren't clean. It's not outside, and it'd look better outside clean. But I'm just in here to show you. Oh, it's hot. It's like 90 degrees today, 80 something. But I'm inside the truck to show you the inside. Basically, this truck is a truck, 95 truck. But I'm just in here to show you the inside of it. But little funny issues it has. But one of the problems that happened is we had to use a flathead screwdriver as the key, because my older sister broke the ignition. Let me show you guys. I can't really turn the camera. Nor can I. Okay. Oh gosh. Oh yeah, it's got no battery. Oh crap. But you know where the ignition is. Unless you drive a Tesla. It's right there on the right hand side of the steering wheel. She broke the ignition to where the actual key can't fit in it. So we had to use a flat screwdriver to start it. Can't start right now because of the fact that there's no battery and no gas. But these 609s are built strong, from the 90s, Old trucks, older vehicles last longer, especially the ones from the 90s and 80s. But, as I said, this, she, Savannah, nope, not gonna say her name. And you probably already figured it out. But my older sister, she broke the ignition on the truck, and this happened back when she was in college. It was like 2019, 2018, not 2018. It's like maybe in 2018, 2019, something like that. Some point. She went to college, she went to Blackhawk College for equine studying, equine education. She likes horses. So she went there to study equine, and she went through about 3 different vehicles. 4 now. She went through this blue truck, the Yukon, Dodge Durango, Jeep Patriot. So many vehicles she's went through. And she's now has a Mitsubishi. I forgot what type it was. But yeah, it's recognition on that. That yes, you can see my head's shiny. My Mojo sister, second older sister. Dog is right here. He'll probably be in the video a little bit, but yeah. So yeah, I need to make videos, so yeah, just try at it. It looks pretty okay since if you look at the subscriber count, you'll see that it has 4, but one of those is, no, I'm not gonna say, cause one of them's my mom. But I didn't tell her when I first started it today. I pretty much went to her YouTube account. The one before, I got this one made yesterday. I went to her YouTube account and subscribed her to me, so she can watch what type of content I make. So, 'cause she gets worried about me. Yeah. See you guys. Love y'all. Subscribe, leave a like, and tell your friends and family.